Besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love, today we're going to be doing a very potent hair growth spray. Okay, so the first ingredient we are using is fenugreek seed. Okay, this is a very powerful hair growth spice. Okay, you can use to grow out your hair. You can only use fenugreek seed, apply it on your hair, like spray it on your hair for 7 days. You will definitely see results. So I am going to be adding fenugreek seed with another ingredient. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comment. I literally appreciate. So this is week 7 hair growth tea. Week 6, I did not do anything on my hair. I allowed my hair to rest. Okay, so this is week 7 hair growth tea, and the next ingredient we'll be adding is hibiscus. Okay, I am adding this hibiscus flower. This is so amazing for hair growth. It helps to treat dandruff. It helps to treat grayness of hair. So I'm going to also be attaching the benefits of these two ingredients in the video as well. So I only using these two ingredients. Okay, I'm not adding anything more to this. You can use this on your hair for 2 times in a week. Why did I say 2 times in a week? This is not an everyday hair growth spray because of the hibiscus. You know, hibiscus can stain. So when you use it 2 times in a week, why I said that is because so that maybe your bed sheets, your clothes don't get stained. So when the hibiscus has already dried, you can now reapply. That's why I say 2 times in a week. So this is it. After 8 hours, I am going to strain. Then I will show you guys how I apply this on my hair. So guys, this is my hair. I did a wash day routine and I'll be dropping that video after this particular one. So my hair is already washed, it's clean. I have done my deep condition, everything on it. So I am going to be spraying this from my roots to my ends. Okay, so why I did a small batch, because I'm going to be using this for twice. I'm using this treatment twice this week, so that is why I did not do enough badge. Okay, so I only did this twice in a week. All right, you can as well use this hair growth tea. Okay, you can mix it with your leave-in condition and spray it directly to your hair. Yeah, you can do that as well. I'll show you guys how I mix it. So this is my week 7. Okay, this is week 7. Week 6, I did not do anything on my hair, so this is week 7. I am so amazed by my hair growth. Okay, seriously guys, this is a wonderful hair growth challenge. Like, I love the fact that I don't really have to think of the hairstyle to do. I just wash my hair once in a week. I do my condition, my tea, my oils, everything once in a week, unless I'm using a or a spray that I do every day. Then I will spray it every day on my hair, but I don't really put oils every day on my hair, apart from my Shembe 2000 and my virgin hair fertilizer. Those I do that every day on my hair. So I'll show you guys my hand, because my hand was a bit red. So that's why I say just do this 2 times in a week. And I just added my leave-in condition and I added the same spray on my hand. Just mix the spray in your leave-in condition and you are good to go. So I'm going to be adding my leave-in condition on my hair. Then when it has absorbed on my hair, I'll move to the next step of my moisturizing routine. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So love, the next thing I'm using is this oil. Okay, I'm using this hair growth oil. All right, it's a different kind of oil. I added few other ingredients inside this oil. All right, so I think I'll just bring out the video of this oil. This is really amazing for hair growth. So I'm just going to spray rub it on my hair. Then after this I will put my chamber 2000 and my virgin hair fertilizer on my scalp. Then we massage my hair, which you guys will see. Okay, so this is my chamber 2000. I have This is a lifesaver, guys. If you have not used this on your hair, you need to try this. Okay, if you're suffering from alopecia, thin edges, try chamber 2000. It really works. Like, it works a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to mix everything together and I'll apply this on my scalp. So this is my last routine. I'll be massaging my scalp. Okay, I got this scalp massager, and it's really amazing. There's another one I want to invest in. I think that one has like a battery. You just put it on your hair and it will be massaging your scalp by itself. Okay, so this one is the manual one, so I might get the automatic one. Okay, because we need to, improve our blood circulation on our hair. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying this hair growth tea? Sorry about the background noise. Will you be trying this hair growth tea? Let me know if you will try it. Okay, please use this hair growth tea 2 times in a week. All right, because it will stain your attire or anything. But the hair growth tea is really powerful because it's going to grow out your hair pretty quick and pretty fast. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all my besties in my next one. So this is my hair on week 7. Like, there's a lot of growth, guys. So one more week for us to review our length, and yeah, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.